Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Learning is fun. Today's topic is about sentence and its kind. Today we will learn about the sentence and its classification, which will be based on its meaning. So let me start the session with what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense. It gives complete meaning, and the most important part of the sentence, a group of word will form a sentence when it have subject and predicate. Let us know about it more by seeing the example. Here the example is, the newspaper says it might rain today in the afternoon. So here in this sentence we are talking about what? About the newspaper. So here newspaper is subject. So by seeing this, what we can say, what is subject? Subject, it tells whom or what the sentence is talking about. So what in this sentence we are talking about? The newspaper. So newspaper is subject, and whatever we are talking about the newspaper, that means the rest of the sentence will be termed as a predicate. So here the definition is, what is predicate? It tells about what the subject is, or what does the subject is doing. So here which word is telling about the subject, that is newspaper? That is, it says it may rain today in the afternoon, therefore it is a predicate. So next, that is sentence. Here we will learn about the classification of sentence, which will be based on its depend on its meaning. So seeing the meaning, we can classify the sentence into four types. Here we can see, depending upon the meaning and also the tone. Tone means the way we are talking about. For example, open the door. Here I am little bit polite, but if I say the same sentence in quite harsh way, open the door, it means I am ordering. So depending on both the meaning and also the tone, means the way we are talking, which the speaker wants to convey through a statement. So on that basis, we can classify the sentences into four. So the first is assertive or the declarative. The second is imperative sentence. The third is interrogative sentence. And the fourth is exclamatory sentence. Let us learn more about these four type of sentences. So the first is, what is assertive sentence? Assertive or declarative, both are same. Somewhere you could find that it is termed to be as declarative, and somewhere it is termed to be as assertive. But please remember that these two are the same thing. Both are assertive sentence. Now let us know what is assertive sentences. Yes, the sentence used to convey information or simply a statement, or in other words also we can say that, what is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence is a simple sentence. So assertive sentence, it may be positive. The sentence may be of positive, that is affirmative, or negative sentences. Both can be a assertive or declarative sentence. So we can say that assertive sentence can be positive or negative. Here the one thing to be noted, that is positive is also termed as a assertive sentence. So example will make your point more clear. Just see here, Mr. Azad will be coming to visit us this afternoon. Here I am quite positive that he will definitely come. So here it is affirmative, because there is no negative word is there. Negative word, for example, no, not, never, nothing, etc. These types of words are to be termed to be a negative sentence. So these types of word you cannot find here in this sentence. So it can be termed as a affirmative or positive sentence. So please see the next sentence, that is, the technician have not. Here, before few seconds, I have told you that the word no, not, never, nothing, these words are considered to be negative. So just see in this sentence, the technician have not come, so we can't. Again, here is negative word. Use the computers. So therefore, this sentence is termed to be as a negative sentence. And since in this sentence there is no negative, So this sentence is termed to be as affirmative sentence. So I hope assertive or declarative sentence, concept of assertive or declarative sentence is clear to you. Let's move towards the next. That is, what is imperative sentence? So imperative sentence, this sentence is, it shows or it is used to show the command or instruction given to someone or to make request. Or in the simple word, we can say, what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is a sentence which shows command, instructions to which is given to someone, or some type of request or wish. This type of sentence is termed to be as imperative sentence. So imperative sentence, I have already told that imperative sentence also contain wish also. But in some books or somewhere, you could find that the wish, the part of wish sentence, to wish or to prayer, is considered as a optative sentence. It where the sentence where you find a wish or the prayer. For example, I wish you may develop, I wish you may have success. So this type of, here I am wishing, or may God bless you, here I am praying. So these types of sentence are termed to be an optative. In some of these books you could find, but in maximum book you will find that these types of sentence is also included in imperative sentence. So both in the one and can be considered as a imperative sentence. So let us move to the some example. So for the optative, to make the concept of optative clear, please see the sentence, may God bless you. Here I am doing the wish that may God bless you. So here, what is optative? It expresses a wish or the prayer. So this sentence can be considered as a optative. Again, I am telling that in maximum book you could find that this sentence is also considered in imperative sentence. So, but in some book it has been splitted into two, that is imperative and optative. So the next is, yes, one more thing you have to remember, that in imperative sentence the subject is always you. Subject is always you, but it is hidden. You could not find. But it is implied, not mentioned. It is there. It is not mentioned. We have to understand it. For example, see the example and now the concept will clear to you. Example is, yes, the example is, please keep silence. Please keep silence. Here you could find that there is no subject. At first attempt you will find that there is no subject, but here what I have told, subject is hidden, it is implied, not mentioned. It is there but it is not mentioned. So if we can add you here, you please keep silence. So here the subject is you. So you have to always remember that whenever we are talking about imperative sentence, subject is you. So this types of sentence is considered as a imperative sentence. Why? Because this sentence shows that instruction. It has been, instruction is given to someone, that to you, that please keep silence. So here it is an instruction. So it is considered to be an imperative sentence. So let's move to the next, that is interrogative sentence. So what is interrogative sentence? The sentence used to ask different kinds of questions. So whatever the question in this world, whatever questions we are framing in the sentence, all are considered to be an interrogative sentence. Very live example I could give you, that while you enter in the examination room, you get a question paper in your hand. So the whole question paper is written in interrogative sentence. Why? Because the whole sentence is asking you questions and you have to give the answer to that question. So that whatever the answer you give, it comes under it is considered as a assertive sentence, and the questions you are attempting for, it is an interrogative sentence. So whatever the question is been asked in a sentence, it is considered as a interrogative sentence. So some make the example will make your concept clear. Where did you keep the books that I had given you? Here, one more thing, if you could not find whether it is an interrogative sentence or not, you can easily understand by seeing this sign, that is question mark at the end of the sentence, shows that it is a interrogative sentence. One more thing, that is where. It is asking question. Where did you keep the books? So since it is asking a question, therefore this sentence is considered to be a interrogative sentence. One more sentence. Shall we tell our parents about our weekend plan nor now or later? So shall we? Here it is again asking question. Again I have told the question interrogative sentence will end with a question mark. So here again the both the things are there in the sentence. Therefore we can consider it as a interrogative sentence. So let's move toward the next, that is exclamatory sentence. So what is exclamatory sentence? A sentence used to express strong feelings or emotions. Sometimes some of the situation we feel that we have the strong feeling and we have the strong emotion to express something. So all those words which you express during while you are feeling strong emotion or strong feeling, that types of word comes under exclamatory sentence. The sentence, and one more thing, it is to be noted as in the previous slide I have told you about the interrogative sentence always end with a question mark. Here the exclamatory sentence have a exclamation sign. This is known as exclamation sign. It may be in between the sentence or it may be at the end of the sentence. It depends. So the concept will clear by seeing the example. How beautiful the sky looks this morning. So here it is a exclamation sign. Here the exclamation sign will show you that it is a exclamatory sentence. It is a sudden feeling that we are expressing. How beautiful the sky looks this morning. Means we are quite surprised. We are showing our strong feeling, what we are feeling about in that situation. The next sentence, oh God, I can't bear this anymore. So in the previous sentence, you have seen that the exclamation sign is at the end of the sentence. But in this sentence, you could see that the exclamation sign is in between the sentence. So depend on the sentence where the exclamation sign would be. So the exclamation sign make you easy to find whether a sentence is exclamatory sentence or not. Hope you have understood all the four types of sentences. Let us quick revise what we have learned today. The first thing in this session we have learned about the sentence. What is sentence? By seeing the definition and also by seeing the example. The next we have we have learnt about the four kinds of sentence, that is first is assertive or declarative sentence, second is imperative sentence, third is interrogative, and the fourth and the last is exclamatory sentence. Hope you have liked my session. You have understood what I've taught today. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you could get the notification of my next video. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye.